It's a gift to myself. It's a gift to myself. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I know y'all hear Miss Rachel in the background, so I'm gonna try to talk loud so y'all can't hear her. I don't want no copyright stuff going on. So sorry if I'm yelling or sounding crazy and annoying. Or sounding annoying. I'm getting a late start. It is 10:41. I was supposed to have been out of this house by 10:30 to go stop by my client's office, pick up my stuff from there, and then head over to the Associated Printing business to pick up or to pay my invoice for my billboard. We're gonna do we're doing a Cafe Bustelo this morning. Y'all already know. On the road. I got me a little to-go cup that we can use. My little Christmas to-go cup with a sleeve there. So I'm gonna get a coffee made real. All right, so I need some creamer real quick. Let's go put all of this in the vehicle. My car needs to be detailed so bad. Real bad. I don't have gas in my car. You see what I mean? Like inconvenience. It's like I'm never prepared and I have to do something different. I have to do something. I'm also on my monthly. Need an extra period underwear. Just to put in my car. So that's what we'll do. Okay, let's turn this off. I also need to find some hooks for my stockings. Gotta get our shoes, put in the vehicle. All right, we back at home. I went over there and came back. That's what I did. Hi, honey. Let's get out. So we are waiting for the game to start. I want to show you guys my locks that I got from Mimosa Dreadlocks. But y'all, what they look like. They were a custom set of locks. And she can pretty much make the locks however you want them to look. And so this is what we went with. And it comes all the way from Ukraine, I believe. Yes, Ukraine. So, y'all like my scissors? Y'all like my scissors? They're leopard print. Let's unbox these. The moment of truth. All right. Show y'all what they look like. It's my first time seeing them. Well, in person. She did send me a picture beforehand. And they looked good on the picture. Okay, so I'm gonna take the net off real quick so y'all can see. But I have to move these out of the way. I don't want my daughter getting a hold of these at all. So the vibe I was going for with these locks here, it's more so of like a boho vibe with the loose hair and lots of accessories. Are y'all ready for this? Okay, this is how they look. So what I asked for, the very top, as you guys can see, the design at the top I wanted that naughty texture. I think it's called naughty texture. It's kind of giving lumpy, like a lumpy look. Like an inconsistent, natural lock look. Kind of a naughty texture, that's what you call it. And then the ends, I got all of these loose ends. And look at the colors. We got some like gold, blondish gold intertwined here all throughout, and we got all of these little feathers as accessories, and I'm so in love with the feathers, y'all. Like, y'all have no idea. This is a total of, I think, 40 locks, I think. Oh man, I love the feathers. I love it. They are synthetic. So keep that in mind. Look at that feather there. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And look at the top. Oh man, they're gonna be pretty. So let's see. See how long it's gonna be. Ooh, she's a good length. She's gonna be full. Yes, love it. So I'm already inspired on my next set that I'm gonna get her to make. And I hear some of y'all say to support my own kind. I do. I support my Black people enough. I do. But if I feel led to support other people, I'm gonna do it. Sorry. And I always just feel drawn to buy from her. And she takes her work serious. And y'all don't know it. Y'all compliment me the most when I wear her locks. And y'all swear a Black person that made it. And it's Natalie. Natalie made them. So it is what it is. She delivers. When you have a vision like that, the girl she come with it. Like, it ain't no, oh, it's almost like it. No, she can get exactly how you want it to come out. This is not even shedding, y'all. This isn't shed. You don't see any pieces of hair coming out of here. This is not even shedding just yet. So you can tell that these are like solid. You can reuse these locks as well. They are reusable. All of our locks are reusable. You can wash these, take them out and wash them, and get them put them back in. And baby, they reusable. All of her locks are reusable. I think one set of hers I done had for about 4 years now. And you know, a lot of the brands don't recommend you to keep them that long. They still intact though. Like, they still as sturdy as ever. Ain't nothing wrong with them. So I love these. Baby, this go in my outfit right now. It's cute. Cause I go through my little phase of wanting to be like boho. Like, I will always. Waiting on the game to start. Game is on.
Nicholas Jourdain, Moussa Cisse will take a seat on the Memphis Pie.
Made me a little drink.
Frenchman with his first points. He averages 20 per game. Al Green in the game for Louisiana Tech. That name is